Good afternoon, everybody. So, first of all, I would like to thank you all for actually this the Bangladesh Climate Forum event, and also it's our pleasure to actually say something about our initiatives, the Better Meal Initiative project that we are implementing with support from the Netherlands Enterprise Agency. So basically, Solidaridad, we are an international civil society organization working across 40 countries, sustainable and inclusive supply chain development that respects the earth system, and there are fair value distribution across the supply chain actors working in the supply chain. We are creating ecosystem services for cleaner production practices and promotion of decent work. And already in Bangladesh, we are working with number of factories. We developed a robust chemical management module for the workers so that they can easily understand. We are working on an energy, optimization process, a policy paper. We are also developed a workers productivity module for upskilling of reskilling of workers. So basically, the BMI project that we are working with 4 Dutch brands, G-Star, America Today, G-Man, Hank Muller, and also 8 sourcing factories in Bangladesh. So basically, what we did, actually, we did a depth of assessment in terms of the factories, in terms of the water use efficiency, energy efficiency, chemical use efficiency, occupational health safety, and also GHG emissions. And we developed a self-assessment tool. So over the next couple of months, we'll be working with these 4 factories and these 4 Dutch brands, how we can improve their compliances in terms of this, cleaner production technology adoption and also workers' productivity. So basically, the tool we develop is a more sorts of self-assessment tool. So each of the factories will assess themselves where they are in terms of the compliances, the environmental compliances and the social compliances, and we see that this tool actually help each of the production facilities to comply with the UCSTD compliance. Thank you. I now hand over Shara to formally, kick off of our BMI project. Thank you all.
Good afternoon, everyone. Dear participants of the Climate Action Forum. I'm very happy that many of you are still here and made it through the whole day, still going strong, because it's a real honor for me to be here and standing on the stage to soon officially launch the next phase of the Better Meal project, funded by the Netherlands Enterprise Agency. And I truly believe this is a real good example of how we are also taking action, supporting on the ground in Bangladesh. So Solidaridad, as already mentioned, is collaborating with 4 Dutch brands, Zeeman, America Today, Hanke Muller, and G-Star Raw. Before I get to the real launch, which is of course the best part of it, I'm happy to share a few words with you on the significance of the project. As the main topic of today, I would not have to explain to you that climate change is one of the pressing challenges of our time. Bangladesh is one of the most climate vulnerable countries, but also plays a forefront in the global climate discussion. And I think that is something that Bangladesh can also be proud of. And I also see that here today, talking to so many people. The textile sector can play a critical role in this, and I would highlight the positive side of this, showcasing the possibility to change, to improve, and to innovate for cleaner production processes. The Netherlands is committed to be a partner in this, to combat climate change, reduce impact of harmful practices, and ensure environmental compliance in our value chains. And also to cooperate globally to achieve our common goals, because we do believe that no country can do this alone. With the Better Meal project, the Netherlands is contributing to achieving Bangladesh's national commitments under the Paris Agreement, helping to reduce the industry's environmental footprint and align with global climate targets. So this is the phase B, as we call it, of the project. And in the first phase, Solidaridad already cooperated closely with the textile and apparel industries to conduct a baseline assessment. And this cooperation, I think, is vital for a successful story. So in the phase B, the bar is raised higher, with a more strategic focus on sustainability and climate action with 3 main elements. Using science-based targets, focus on resource efficiency, and implementing sustainable chemical management. The project is committed, the first part, to support factories in setting and achieving science-based targets for greenhouse reduction. Using a scientific approach to climate action ensures that the efforts are measurable. These targets set the industry on a sustainable path, a path that ensures long-term viability of the RMG sector in Bangladesh. Another key element of the project is resource efficiency, the efficient use of energy, water, and raw material in textile mills. This is not only an environmental imperative, it's also an economic one. By optimizing resource use, costs can be reduced alongside minimizing the impact on our environment. Lastly, the project implements sustainable chemical management. Acknowledging the textile industry as a significant source of water pollution, the Better Mill project is committed to reducing harmful chemicals and meeting the global zero discharge of hazardous chemical goals by 2030. Through introduction of best practices and technologies, this contributes to cleaner production processes that protect both the environment in general, as well as the well-being of communities here around us in Bangladesh. After hearing the achievements in the first phase of the project, I cannot wait to see the impact of the next phase. Of course, like in the first phase, these achievements are true collaborative efforts between the Dutch government, that I'm happy to represent here, Solidaridad, and the Dutch fashion brands Zeeman, America Today, Hanke Muller, and G-Store Raw. I hope this collaboration will inspire others, and I'm looking forward to see the results of the next phase of this project. So hereby, I would like to also ask America Today and G-Star on the stage so that we can, with a group picture, formally launch the next phase of the Better Mill initiative. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a good day at the Climate Action Forum. Thank you.